Hello friends, so today I'm sharing how you can create this tropical island on your nails. I have explained all the steps in detail and I'm sure after watching full tutorial you will be able to create this design very easily on your own nails. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I have only used acrylic paints for this nail art. So first you need to create the base with white nail polish, and then with acrylic paints start making sea and sky first. So for the sea, I'm using a light teal blue color. If you don't have teal blue, just add a little bit of green with blue and then mix white to it and you will get this shade. For sky, you can use a sky blue color, or if you don't have that, just mix white with the blue and make sky blue color and paint it for the sky. Once the first coat dries, apply one more coat of these colors for a perfect base. So here you can see my base is ready, and now I am making structure of the island. I have mixed black and green color to create this very dark shade of green which will act as a base for the island. And as you can see here, I'm going in a very slow and stippling motion to create the island. Now it's time to make some clouds. I have used white acrylic paint which is undiluted. Thick paints help to give the texture, and again I'm using a very light stippling motion of my brush. If you have noticed, I have only used this brush till now. This type of brush helps you to work faster, so if you do have any kind of flat brush like this, then use this instead of detailing brush. I want to create a tropical sunset sky, and these clouds will help to bring out the colors. Later on I'm going to fill these clouds with different colors and make it more dramatic. And now it's time to add some details to our island. Here I'm using different shades of green to create an illusion of vegetation. All I'm doing here is adding different shades of green with my detailing brush, and it's so easy to create the details by using this technique. Just do the stippling of different colors with your brush and your details are ready. And now it's time to add some colors to our sky. I added water to acrylic paint so that it becomes thin, and then using different colors and pink, yellow, orange, red, etc. I just went with the flow. There was nothing specific. Whatever I felt right, I just did. I also did some highlights later on with white paint, so you will see in the end how this sky looks. This is like my first layer, and I will top coat it to seal it and protect it, so in future if I make any mistake I don't have to restart everything. And now it's time to give tropical look to our island. For this I added tiny palm trees, and to paint them you will need very thin watered down acrylic paint in black and of course a fine detailing brush. So paint some trees along the edge of the island and also inside. Once the island is ready, let's make the beach. I have used brown, white and yellow color to make this sand color, and I'm just making the border of the island as you can see here. Once the boundary is made for the natural look, blend it a little bit with the sea color. And to create the reflection of island in water, just take watered down green color and mix it with the sea like this. So we have come to the final part now. Add waves to the sea by using white acrylic paint and stippling motion of your brush. So it's time to give some finishing touches with the blue color, and once you're happy with your design, don't forget to top coat it, and I will recommend 2 layers of top coat. Since we have used acrylic paint, so it's better to use 2 layers of top coat so that there is no bumpy texture and your design will come out very smooth. So guys, that's all for the tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and if you recreate this design, do share with me by tagging me in your post, and of course I will be back with some new tutorials very soon. Till then, take care, goodbye, and please stay safe. Bye.